Hi, Kyle. The original intention was that you guys buy these leave behinds, but I'm starting to think that it's unreasonable to expect students to buy some $163 thing. So let's just move forward as if you're going to buy it. We'll go through the process up until actually buying it. And then as you go on in your life, you can decide whether it's worth it for you or not. So I thought these were all interesting. I thought that these custom cut sticky notes were really funny and cool, and I would like to have them. But I bet you they're super expensive. Anytime you have to have anything cut, it's like minimum order $500. But if they're not, I think it would be worth making something much more intricate with your name so you really hammer that home. Because if I got this shield, I would just think, oh, the guy likes Game of Thrones, right? So that's why if you're going to go to the expense of getting something cut, then you want to make it like a K or something. I like these a lot. I love this beautiful sword idea. But honestly, I keep hearing that companies do not want USBs as gifts because you can upload a virus on there. So unless you're going to keep it in its original packaging, they'd probably throw it right in the garbage. I'm sorry to tell you. So the ball I had some thoughts about. I like it. I think it's a good idea, and they would keep it at their desk. At least they would play with it all the time. But I had two thoughts. So one is I see 3D written with a capital D all the time. I assume you do too, but that seems to be the industry standard. The other thing is, if you're going to call yourself an environmental artist, I'm not sure showing a figure like a hand in 2D is a good correlation. So maybe just call yourself 3D artist. And then when someone sees your portfolio, they'll see that you're an environmental artist. So I just think that these are clashing. So you've got environmental, but then you've got a flat hand. At least if you say 3D artist, you can make this circle seem as if it's 3D, and then that gets the idea across. Anyway, those are my notes. You're going in a good direction. Let me know if you have any questions.